How to hide story highlights on Instagram from someone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to hide your story highlights from someone on Instagram? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram app on a mobile device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with a profile picture at the bottom. Then, your Instagram profile will open up. As you can see, I have many story highlights added to my profile. To hide them from someone, tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Scroll down until you find the Who Can See Your Content section. Over here, you will find the option to hide story and live. Tap on it, then select Hide Story and Live from option. Now, search for the person you want to hide your story from. Please don't get confused when I say story. Since you created your story as a highlight, you will need to hide your story and your highlights will be hidden automatically from the selected person. So, select one or multiple people you want to hide your story from. Once selected, tap on the Done option. Now you are good to go. The selected person or people won't be able to see your Instagram story highlights. Let me show you a demo. As you can see, I am logged into my another account. This is the same account that I restricted from seeing highlights on my main account. Now, if I open up my main account from the search, you will see that I am not able to view the highlights. And boom! You have successfully learned how to hide Instagram story highlights from someone. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.